Hello traders, in this video we are going to be discussing the True Fractals Bands Indicator. Alright, so let us start by adding the indicator to the chart. We can see these are the input settings. You can actually modify according to your taste, okay? Quite a number of settings, customizable settings. Now, this is a very straightforward indicator, right? It helps you to enhance your market structure analysis, right? The indicator actually gives, dynamic support and resistance zones in the form of, red dotted lines above your candlesticks and blue dotted lines below your candlestick. So the blue dotted lines below your candlestick serve as dynamic support, and then the red dotted lines above your candlesticks serve as dynamic resistance. Okay, so basically this indicator employs a dynamic trading channel that displays fractals, right? So you can see the fractals being displayed, right? So when you have the red fractal above your candlestick, it's a sell signal, and when you have the green fractal below your candlestick, it's a buy signal. So what do you want to do? You have to look out for the trend. Okay, I recommend using this indicator in the direction of the trend. So when you have a sell trend, for example, you want to look out for price bouncing off the red dotted line above the candlestick and just wait for the appearance of the red fractal. In that case, you can proceed to sell after you get your confirmation. Then in the situation whereby you have a bullish trend, you want to look out for price bouncing off the blue dotted line, okay? And then you wait for a green fractal to form below your candlestick. That's going to be a buy signal. All right, so in some cases you're also going to see price might be bouncing, within the upper channel, maybe between the upper red red dotted lines above the candlestick. You might see price bouncing between that upper line and the middle line, okay, for a buy trend. And then sometimes you might actually see price bouncing within the lower channel, that is between the lower blue dotted line and the middle line. Okay, that's going to be for a bearish trend. Okay, so just sell in a bearish market and buy in a bullish market. It's a pretty straightforward indicator. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on more valuable trading content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Happy trading.